In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Word document as an attachment to an email using Gmail. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who might be newer to using email attachments or just needs a little refresher on the process. By the end of this guide, you'll confidently be able to attach and send your Word documents with ease. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to ensure that you have your Word document saved and ready on your computer. It's important to have the document finalized before attaching it, as any changes made afterward won't be reflected in the version you attach. Once your document is ready, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing gmail.com into the address bar and pressing enter. You'll be prompted to log in with your Google account credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll see your inbox displayed. In the top left corner of the Gmail interface, there is a red or blue Compose button. Go ahead and click that to open a new email window. A new email composition window will pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll be able to fill in the necessary details, such as the recipient's email address in the To field. You can also add a subject line to ensure the recipient knows what the email pertains to. Now, the next step is to attach your Word document. Look for a small paperclip icon at the bottom of the email composition window. This is the attachment icon. Click on it and a file browsing window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer files. Locate the Word document you saved earlier, select it, and then click Open. You'll notice a brief loading period, after which you'll see the file name appear beneath the subject line, signifying that your document has been successfully attached. Before you hit send, take a moment to write a brief message in the body of the email. Whether it's a simple greeting, an explanation of the attachment, or some additional information you wish to convey, including a personal message can help add context and clarity for your recipient. Once you're satisfied with your email, including the recipient, subject line, message, and of course the attachment, you are ready to send it. Review the email one final time for any typos or mistakes. Everything look good? Great! Now, locate the blue Send button in the bottom of the composition window. Click it, and just like that, your email with the attached Word document will be on its way to your recipient. Sending attachments can be daunting at first, but with these simple steps, you'll have them flying through cyberspace in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to run through these steps a few times. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.